Hello everyone, in this video we are going to look at solving more inequalities, but for this video we're going to look at multiplying and dividing to find our solutions. Specifically for this video, because I'll break this up into two parts, we'll look at when the number that we're going to multiply or divide to find the final solution set for our inequality is when that number is positive. There is a special case when that number is negative, but we'll save that for the next video. So just like for solving equations, there are multiplication properties of equality and division properties of equality. There are the same for inequalities. And again, it boils down to whether that number that we're multiplying or dividing by in the final step of our inequality is positive or negative. Every single equation, or rather inequality, will work out for this video will have values that are positive. So let's look at a few examples. This first one up top here says x over 2 is less than negative 1. We undo division with multiplication, so multiply by 2. Canceling this out here, we have x is less than negative 1 times 2, or negative 2. Every value excluding negative 2 that is less than negative 2 is a solution to this inequality. Let's bring this part down here. D over 3 is greater than or equal to 5 over 6. Just like the last one, we're going to multiply by 3. Now for the fraction here, we're going to rewrite 3 as 3 over 1. These mean the same thing. 3 divided by 1 is the same thing as 3. Here this cancels out, and we just have D, which is now greater than or equal to 5 times 3, which is 15, over 6. But this can be rewritten because 15 and 6 are both divisible by 3, so let's divide them both by 3. That gives us 5 over 2. So what I'll do is I'll just rewrite that over here. Five over 2, or you can say this as 5 halves. D is greater than or equal to 5 halves. 2 more over here. Now we're going to divide to find the final solution for this inequality, and we'll find our solution set. Here we have 3t is greater than negative 9. We're going to divide by 3. Now this is negative divided by a positive, so the solution set will have a negative number here. Every value that is greater than negative 3, not including negative 3, is a solution. Last one down here. Negative 27 is less than or equal to 3z. Now the catch here, which I touched on briefly at the end of the last video, is that the variable on this inequality, is on the right side. This is saying negative 9 is less than or equal to z. You can also say it another way just by switching the two parts of this inequality, but remember to keep the inequality open to whatever it's facing, whether it's the number or the variable. So in this case, because the inequality is open towards the variable, we can rewrite this as z is greater than or equal to negative 9. two representations telling you the same thing. -9 is less than or equal to z, and z is greater than or equal to -9. Now this dealt with the case where the number that we were multiplying or dividing to find that final solution set was positive. In the next video, we'll go over a special rule where what if that number we were dividing or multiplying was negative, because it'll change a lot about what we're going to say for our final answer. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.